Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you have a Hyundai Sonata between year 2009 and year 2015 and you need to find the fuse for the rear left window switch, guys, stay with us, we will explain how to do that. Let's say your rear window on the left side doesn't work. Okay, it could be just a bad fuse. Of course, it could be something else as well, and we have a video on the channel that explains how to diagnose, window that doesn't work. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts for your Hyundai, fuses, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where we get all that for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, on that Hyundai, guys, you will be able to find all the mechanical videos on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. All the mechanical videos. We have helped more than 100 million people, guys. The electrical videos will be on this channel, guys. Electrical Car Repair Live. But the mechanicals, taking the whole car apart, fixing the engine, will be on Auto Repair, guys. Please check it out and subscribe. So, we have actually two fuses that we need to check, so make sure you stand till the end. One of them is very hidden. I'm going to go ahead, open the fuse box. You have one tap right here, you have one tap over there. You're supposed to squish those towards each other and at the same time just pull up. Okay, just like that. Once you do that, we have a fuse puller right here that we need to actually go ahead and remove. Perfect. Now, let's go ahead inside and show you which one we need to do. So, if your rear window switch doesn't work, guys, I'm talking about this one right here. Okay, we will explain, what can cause that now. So, let's go ahead and show you guys. We're going to come this way. Okay, and next to you can see right here next to the steering wheel, we have that fuse box. Okay, right here. So, what we need to do now, open the fuse box. Grab on the bottom. Pull out. Okay, now the fuse, guys, the first fuse that we need to check is actually right here. The second fuse is outside. So the fuse that we need to check is a 25 amp fuse, and if you go all the way on top, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that last fuse, in the left off, on the left side, the last one, it will be the sixth fuse, is the one for the rear window switch. So go ahead, grab it and pull it out. And you can see the fuse came out just like that. This is the fuse. If you want to see how to test it, we have a special video that explains that, but most of the times you can see that element. If it's broken, if it's burned, you have a bad fuse. If it's good, guys, most likely it's good. Sometimes it's hard to tell, and we have a video that explains how to test the fuse, so check it out. If you want to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Next, what I'm going to do at that point, I'll just go ahead, grab that, and push it in, guys. Make sure you push it in good. So practically we're done here. Now we have one more place to check, and after that, we should be done. The next fuse is a little bit tricky. Why? Because actually it's right here in that compartment, and that's where things get interesting, guys. That big fuse box, that big fuse, it consists of multiple fuses, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 fuses. So the second fuse from right to left, it's a 60 amp fuse. That fuse right here, that is known as B plus 3. That fuse controls the rear window switch as well. You can see if it's burned through the window. If you can't find out for sure, what you have to do, disconnect the car battery. And now on modern cars, it really matters which terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. Otherwise, you can cause quite a bit of damage to the electrical system. We did that in the past and it cost us $2,000. So I'll put a link how to properly disconnect the car battery. Once you do that, go ahead, remove that nut. And here you will have, you can see one tooth. And you can pull that fuse box out all the way. Then you can look at it good, and also you can test it with a voltmeter for connection. Apply one light right here and the other one on the fuse terminal and see, if you have connection, then it's a good fuse. So hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.